Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be learning about switch statement. Now what is switch statement and what do we need it? Like think a situation in which we want to execute different statements for the different inputs of the user. Now I'll tell you a situation where you want to write a program in which the user enters a number and you'll print the day of the week. Like if the user enters 1, you'll print Monday, and user enters 2, you'll print Tuesday. Similarly, you can print up to 7. As you are thinking, you can write this along with if and if else statements, but you can also write this effectively with switch statement. Now, how does switch statement work? The syntax for switch statement is as follows: write the keyword switch, and inside this you have to put the variable which you want to switch for different cases. Like you want to execute different commands for different in user inputs. Now as I've told in the situation, we will display the day of the week for the number entered by the user. So you want to switch between the number entered by the user, and for the different cases, like case 1 if the user enters 1, case 2 if the user enters 2, 3, 4 similarly. So if the user enters 1, execute first command, that is print here Monday. And now if the first command is executed, then there comes a break statement. That is, after this the program will not go into the next cases and will come out of the switch statement. So now let's understand through code. Now as I told, we have to take an integer from the user. So we'll declare an integer here, int. We'll specify number, and now we'll print a statement for him. Enter a number. So we'll make it clear. Enter day in number, and we'll give a new line here, semicolon. Next we'll scan whatever he have entered. As we are using integers, %d. Now we'll store it as number. Now we need to switch these numbers. So we'll add a switch keyword. Inside this we want to switch number. Then comes to curly braces. Between this we'll add cases. We have here case 1. If the user enters 1, what to do? Print the day is Monday. And next, break keyword. That is, it will break whenever the case before is satisfied. Now the ease of time, will copy this, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we'll change this to case 2. What if the user enters 2? The day is Tuesday. And for case 3, the day is Wednesday. And for 4, now we have all the days of the week. Now what if the user enters 8? Then the default case will execute. So we'll add here default. If the control comes to default, we need to print invalid input. And click on here, break statement. Now let's go through the code again. Now we will ask the user to enter the day in number, and we'll store it in number. Now we need to switch the number for different cases, like 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So if the user enters 1 here, then we'll print him Monday, and we'll break the loop and break the statement and come out of the statement. Then if he enters 2, then the control will go to case 2. 3, case 3. Similarly you can go up to 7. And what if the user enters 8? It is an invalid input, so the default case will take care of it and print as invalid input. So now let's build and run this code. Okay, enter day number and enter 2. The day is Tuesday. It's right. We'll check it again. Run the same command. Now I'll enter 7. The day is Sunday. See, when I've entered 7, the controller has gone to this case 7, so the day is Sunday. Now I'll enter a different. Now I'll enter some 9. Invalid input, because the control was in default case, and in default case we have asked it to print invalid input. So this was for today. I hope you have understood our switch statement, and you can also think wisely where to use if, else if, and switch. So thanks for watching and keep learning. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.